Hi guys, welcome to XiaoyingChinese. Today we are going to tell a Chinese story. The name of the story is 愚公移山。从前有个老人，房子前有2座特别高的大山。有一天，他召集了全家人开始移山。他的邻居笑话他说，他的力量太小，不足以移动这2座大山。他回答道：我有儿子，我儿子还会有儿子，我儿子的儿子还会有儿子，我们的子子孙孙将永远不停地搬下去，而这2座山不会继续增高。上天被老人的愿望和诚心所感动，送来了2位神仙，搬走了那2座大山。好，这就是今天的故事，希望你喜欢。This is today's story. I hope you enjoy it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 我们下次再见吧，拜拜。